Hi everyone, do you have an oven on? Then batch roast Japanese sweet potatoes, the pale, creamy kind, and the breakfast for the next 3-4 days makes itself. In the morning, I just peel, crush coarsely, add milk, done in about 60 seconds. No sugar, no butter, no fuss. So stick around. I'll show roasting, storage, and the creamiest bowl you'll eat this week. You have to pick the right sweet potatoes. Look for Japanese sweet potatoes with purple skin and pale or ivory flesh. Choose medium size, firm, so they cook more evenly and turn creamier. Make sure there are no sprouts. Set the oven temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the stickers, rinse and dry. Place whole on a baking tray. Batch roast it. It takes 30 to 45 minutes. If you don't have an oven, you can cook it in air fryer, microwave, or even pressure cooker. Make sure sweet potatoes are cooked very soft to touch. Right before you want to eat, peel one. See the charred part on the sweet potatoes. Don't throw them. That brings flavor and taste. With the back of the fork, crush your sweet potatoes coarsely. Just before you are planning to eat, add 3/4 to 1 cup of milk, hot or cold, dairy or plant, anything will work. Stir to creaminess. Don't over mix it or it will become lumpy. And that's it. It's ready to eat. It has loads of health benefits. It's naturally sweet, high in fiber, and once chilled, they form some resistant starch. That combo can help you feel full longer and support a gut-friendly routine. You can batch roast once and eat 4 mornings. Japanese sweet potato plus milk and breakfast is solved. Tell me if this recipe helps your mornings. Hit like, share it with a busy friend. That's it. Until next time, stir with soul. Thanks for watching.